Hello everyone, I am Tarun already. Welcome to my channel. Today we are at day 12 of 100 days of cloud by KodeKloud. In the day 12 task, we are going to attach an EBS volume to the already running EC2 instance. So try to log in using the console URL. Copy the username. The password. Now search for EC2. Click on EC2. If you scroll down here, you can see elastic block storage. Under that, need to click on the volumes, and this is the volume that we need to be attached to the EC2 instance. So click on the volume ID. Either we can choose the volume and we can click on the actions. So try to click on actions and we can attach the volume. Now we need to choose the instance. Here it is the EC2. Here it is the EC2 instance that is named as Nautilus EC2. Click on that and try to choose the device name as /dev/sdb. Now click on attach volume. We are successfully attached the volume to the EC2 instance. Click on refresh. Is everything okay? Now let's try to check the solution. We have successfully completed this task. If you really like my explanation, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching this video.